So I got bored. I had some free time and I built a thing. A CNC router, computer numerically controlled router. And one might ask, why do you want one of those? Well, I can think of 3 reasons. And it has to do with washing machines. 1 is precision. 2 is repeatability. And 3, here's the washing machine, is some of the best automation you can get. Now, it can do precision cuts, it can do grooves. Here's a little clip of something that I just created out of this. But the deal with the washing machine is it freed up a lot of labor. Washing clothes is terrible. No. So if you can just load something, turn it on, go away, do something else, and be more productive while it washes your clothes, great. Same thing with the CNC machine. It can do cuts and add to your quality, doing work at a higher level of quality more repeatably than I could ever do, and it frees me up to do something else, which invariably is sweeping the shop because of the giant mess the CNC machine made, or loading the washing machine. There it is. Precision, repeatability, automation. We'll see what we build with it.